Welcome to the video. Cooking with Chet the Hawk. 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 Today, I made some grilled cheese sandwich. It's very cheesy and melty. Mwah. I use from the life hacks like rice cooker and microwave. Alright, let's try it out. So good. 10 out of 10. This is so good. If you like and subscribe. Welcome to the video. Cooking with Chet the Hawk. 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 Today, I made some fruit pancakes. I got strawberries, bananas, and blueberry. I just put the pancakes. Check it out. I just made some pancakes with fruits. Looks so yummy in my tummy. Alright, let's try it out. Wait, I forgot a knife. Ta-da! I found a knife. Alright, let's try it out. If you like it, like and subscribe. 67. Sorry about that. I just used the 8, 9, 10. So anyways, welcome to the video. Cooking with Chet the Hawk. 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 Today, I made some noodles. It's called a ramen. Like it's so perfection. So why would you look at that? Wait for it. Just the life hacks. Just the life hacks. Oh! There's the bacon under the noodles. Check it out. I made the bacon noodles. It looks really good. I just put bacon under the noodles. Let's try it out. This is so good. If you like it, like and subscribe. Welcome to the video. Vominos. Cooking with Chet the Hawk. 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 And today, I made some nachos. This is gonna be delicioso. I got the beef and beans and the Tostitos. Hasta la vista, baby. Okay, let's try it out. Delicioso! If you like it, subscribe. Mmm, delicioso. Did I scare you? It's just the pumpkin like a jack-o'-lantern. Welcome to the video. Happy Halloween. Cooking with Jet the Hawk. 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 Today, I made a microwave toast pumpkin seeds. This is so good. Check it out. I just made a perfect toast pumpkin seeds. Unless I use it the microwave and the rice cooking. Step 1. I put this lime in the pumpkin seeds. Ooh. Ooh. So good. Let's see what it tastes like. No reaction. Okay, here we go. Looks good. Next one, tahine. And voila! A perfect toast pumpkin seeds with the lime and tahine. Alright, let's try it out. Mmm! This is so good! Mmm! Why would you look at that? It's the perfect toasted pumpkin seeds. This is gonna be epic! If you like it, subscribe.